You're sitting on the couch watching TV or just going about your life, and all of a sudden, the wife says that she wants a divorce. We've seen this situation come and go. More often than not, the husband does things to actually make the situation worse. They end up screwing themselves and sabotaging the situation. Hi, my name is Aslam Moolla and I am a registered attorney. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the things not to do when your wife says she wants a divorce. Number one, don't try and talk your wife out of the divorce. The reason why is she has probably made up her mind already. It's a decision that she has come to. By you trying to talk her out of it, it's like forcing someone to be married to you that does not want to be married to you. Have some self-respect, to be honest, and don't try and talk her out of it. I know it's a bit hard to take. However, we've seen quite a few divorce cases and we know how this situation pans out. Number two, don't let your emotions override you. Start thinking logically. In other words, start planning for your life after divorce. That leads to the third important tip, which is get help. It's okay to get help. And I'm talking about help from a mental, emotional, and physical perspective. It's okay to get psychological help by talking to a counselor or a therapist about the way you feel. Because if you look after your mind and you get your affairs in order, your recovery process will be much faster and you can be that guy that you were before you got married to her. The next important tip is to make sure, where possible, that you mediate your divorce. In other words, don't get into a nasty legal court battle. The procedure that we have at our firm is to ensure that both parties first try and resolve the divorce amicably. We speak to both husband and wife. The reason why that's important to do is because it saves you more money and it's also less time consuming. The last important tip is to make sure that you don't try and hide any assets or start diverting money, because if she finds out about it, it can only lead to your embarrassment later on in court. In summary, the process is going to be difficult. It's like ripping off a band-aid. However, you just got to get through it so that you can move on to the next phase of your life. If you need help in your situation, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best and I'll speak to you soon.